The removal of stenographers from the Magistrates Court is causing a rift in the legal fraternity, prompting the Bahamas Bar Association to launch an all-out protest today. Candino Knowles reports tonight on why the BBA is upset about the decision and what the Attorney General has to say about it.
I can say to you without fear of contradiction that every member that stands or sit here today supports the judiciary 110%.
That said, Bar Association President Ellsworth Johnson says the BBA is on edge about recent changes to the judiciary, which the group feels will adversely affect the legal system.
What this committee is concerned about is that some critical issues or technical support that should be available to the judiciary, they're not there.
What he's talking about is the recent removal of court reporters from the Magistrates Court, leaving magistrates to keep their own records, something the BBA says represents a retrograde step in the administration and delivery of justice.
We have done some research and we've found that in jurisdictions where the court reporters have been removed, it's created some serious difficulties in terms of understanding the legibility of the magistrates' hands.
You have multiple cases in Magistrates Court on a daily basis. It's not like the Supreme Court where you go there and you have one case, you start from beginning to end. Some magistrates may have as much as 30 cases for the day.
But Attorney General Alison Maynard Gibson insists the move is necessary in order to take the country's judiciary into the 21st century.
To do that, we are not reinventing the wheel. We have the assistance of the Inter-American Development Bank, the IDB, to advise us on how to do it so that the unit that is created meets the highest international standards. The IDB has advised that we ought to deploy all of the court reporters to the Supreme Court and the Court of Appeal. This will enable proper scheduling and timely returning of transcripts.
Also, as part of the improvements to the court system, government plans to digitize the court record. But the Bar Association is expressing concern about how that will impact the integrity of the process.
I think where we are today is we want to see those persons in court taking those notes.
Now, the Bar Association is expected to meet with the Attorney General on Monday at 5 p.m. And depending on the outcome of that meeting, the Bar Association says it could very well boycott court proceedings. Candino Knowles, ZNS Network News.